This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the shot. Import your clip and make sure the comp matches its resolution and frame rate. Once done, pick a high contrast tracking point and zoom to 100% so After Effects sees detail. Now open the tracker panel, click Track Motion, and enable position and rotation if the object moves and spins. This fast start prevents sloppy tracks. Make sure the feature region tightly encloses the contrast, and the search region is just large enough to follow motion. Next, refine the tracker so it stays locked. Reduce the feature region to only the distinctive area and expand the search region enough to cover expected movement, then set sub-pixel accuracy to 0.5 or 1 for smoother interpolation. Track forward, then back if necessary, watching for drift. Pause and adjust regions on problem frames. Once satisfied, create a null object and apply the tracking data to it. This isolates motion, allowing you to parent layers or stabilize without altering the original clip. Finally, parent the layer you want to move to the null object and scrub the timeline to confirm the result. Make small keyframe tweaks or apply smoothing to remove jitter. If you see drift, stop and retrack the troublesome segment or insert manual keyframes every 10 to 20 frames to correct alignment. For occlusions or heavy perspective change, switch to Mocha AE for planar tracking. It handles complex surfaces better. This gives you a clean composite and a reliable fallback when simple tracking fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.